So I'm doing another project. I got hooks for household tools. So I'm gonna have three places, 1, 2, 3 probably, so I can have gap in between, because some of the tools are wider, some of the tools don't have hooks, so I'll have to flip them over to put it like upside down. So I just have to work on the spacing over here, and then it's a sound block, so I'll have to use concrete screws. So I have to drill it first and then screw it. I bought those on Amazon. Let's see. Let's check out the quality. I'm not sure they have, the quality is good, but the reviews are so good, so that's why I bought them. I have a lot of tools just laying around here, so I'll have to organize pretty much everything here, and I'm gonna have to move the freezer. I do have shelves, but they're not functional, so I can't put all my stuff on the shelves because it's too thin. It's not wide enough for me to put some tools. I'll just have to work on that as well. I have I'm gonna have a charging station, charging dock for all my power tools. I'm gonna charge all the batteries over there. Probably, that's what I'm thinking. And this is a hammer drill. I got 3 holes over here, so I can put the first one in. I just gotta drill the concrete first and through the concrete, and then I'm just gonna screw it without anchors. And if you have just a regular drill or impact tool, then it wouldn't work, because I tried it, so I'm not sure you can try it, but it didn't work for me. So hammer drill is much powerful, so it's more powerful than the regular drills, so you can use this one for the concrete. But if you have a drywall or metal, you can use the regular ones. But for this particular job, like through the concrete, you'll have to use a hammer drill. So I'm using this Tapcon to the concrete. It specifically says for concrete and block and brick, and it comes with a drill bit, and that's what I'm using. So this is mine, so it comes with this, and then it's relatively cheap, 75 quantities. I might need it for future projects, because I have a lot of concrete sides in my basement. So if you're wondering what to use, you can use this from the Home Depot. And then, as I mentioned before, it's a hammer drill, and to screw it, this is the size to screw it. I'm really using this drill bit. So this is the impact tool, so I just plugged it in here. So I'm gonna be using this one to screw and tighten up. So if you want to drill through the concrete block, just mark those 2 sides, because they are dense, and this side is hollow. Usually the middle side is hollow. So if you want to use anchor, you can use anchor. So I'm not going to be using anchor because I think it's going to be strong enough to hold it like through these 2 dense block sides. So let's test it. And I'm not gonna be drilling the underneath side as well, because I think the most of the weight is gonna go to this side, so probably that would help. So let's see. So the first one is done. Let me put the hooks and test it. Yeah, I probably need one more screw over here. So when I pull it or move it, so it doesn't move from underneath. So it looks cool. Pretty sturdy. So the next one is done too. I didn't put anything here. Probably don't need it because I'm just gonna hang ladder over here. And I broke this part. Just went inside and broke the hat. But looks pretty sturdy, stable here. So let's put the ladder on. So it's swinging with one hook, so I'll have to put the second one too on two corners. That's all, and it should be fixed. So this is how it looks so far. Now on to the next one, the final and third one. Just hang the hooks. This is very easy. So just put it. That's it. This one. Good. Now let's put my stuff on here. So this is the final result. It looks so cool. Nice and clean and neat, organized. If you guys are interested in these products, let me know. I'll put it in on the description.